Hey guys and gals, sweet motorhomes and RVs here with a really cool way to save yourself a boatload of money. When you're buying these wiper blades for your RV, they're not cheap, as you know. 30, 40 bucks a piece. And you see by this one here, she's had it. I'm going to give you an ingenious way as a detailing shop. We've been doing this for years. And you will not be replacing these blades, most likely for the length of the time you own your RV. And it's a very simple process. You take your box, I've already done it, and you leave the end connected, pull the wiper out, take your razor blade, and all you do is cut the box out. You take your saran wrap or cling wrap, whatever it is you have, and you line it. Because these are cardboard. If you get one that's plastic with a tub, plastic tub that holds your wiper blade, you're good there. And very simply, all you do, you can use a heat gun if you like, but we have found that a hair dryer is much safer. So first off, we're going to take our 303 protectant and we just pour that right inside here. And of course, you'll save this. You won't throw it away. You'll dump this back in your tub. And you just get it so that the 303 is at each end. Like that. Get it so it's flat. And you want to fill it so that it's at least at both ends of the container. At least 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch deep. This is an RV motorhome recreational vehicle product that is just amazing. All right, now we've got it nice and full. And all you do is take your hair dryer. Now you can set the blades in your oven if they'll fit and set it at 150 degrees for 5 minutes and you'll be good. But we usually just take and warm them up with a hair dryer. And it usually takes about 5 minutes. And you can do both blades at the same time if you want. Once that's done, you immediately place them in your solution, just like this, blade down. Usually have to bend them up a little bit to get them in there. And you can let these set for about 2 to 3 hours. If you have an area where you can do this outside and they can set in the sun, that's really good. So you just let those set in there for 2 or 3 hours. Now say that I have done that and they've sat 2 or 3 hours. Now all I'll do is pull them out, drain them off, and then lightly, very lightly wipe them off. Very lightly. Now those blades there are ready to go on your motorhome, and all you do is put a funnel on your container and pick this up, a big funnel, about that big, and pick this up and dump it in there and dump all that back into your tub. By doing this, you will not have this happen anymore and cracking and chafing, and those will last you, like I said, indefinitely. We have motorhomes that we've done this on. We have never had to change after we did this. You can actually go with some 3-inch PVC. We like to use the Schedule 40 stuff. You can cut it so that it will fit both of your blades. You'll warm them up just like we show in the video, and you can stick these inside there, let them soak for as long as you want, really, hours, days. Pull them out, very simple. You will take your cap, use your primer inside there. I'm not going to do it because I'm doing another video on our other channel, Sweet Project Cars, and you can see the full video there. Put that cap on it just like that right there. You'll cut it so that it is about 2 inches longer than your blade, and you'll glue the cap on, of course, and then you'll use this cap right here with the screw-on lid, and you'll use some Teflon tape on the threads here so that it seals up nice. You've got yourself a tube. You can put both your blades in there, let them soak, fill it with 303, and you can actually leave the 303 right in it, or take the cap back off and dump it out and save it for the next time. And you can do your car blades, all that right inside here. So